In this video I'm going to show you how you can hide your playlist on YouTube. It is very simple, just follow my steps and you will know how you can do that. But before that, if you are new here, please can't do subscribe to my channel and like this video. Okay, now the first step is go to YouTube Studio on your mobile phone or your PC. In that case I'm using Android phone, so I'll just open my YouTube Studio on my phone. Now go ahead and click on Playlist. Here it will show you all your playlist you have created. Now click on the particular playlist you want to hide from your YouTube channel. Then click on Edit. Now when you are here you can go ahead and change the visibility to private, which will make your playlist hide from your YouTube account. Now that's it, your playlist has been hid on your YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.